I've been with First Choice since 2017 at the start of the year, and I came as a completely new broker. So I hadn't done home loans before. I've done credit cards but not home loans. So Steve actually took me through the ropes, right? So he actually taught me how to actually fish. I think that's the most important part about actually mentoring, is not telling someone how to do something straight away, but actually learning how to do it on your own. I think that's the biggest thing that Steve actually showed me how to do through those first few months and first year or so. Couple years into it, last year I won the 2018 FBAA Mentee of the Year award. And this year and last year actually, part of the results was I actually was the top 10 in young brokers across the world in the MPA awards. So that was actually pretty cool. That was pretty exciting. But looking at 20 million in my first financial year, this next financial year I'm looking at about 50 million in this next financial year. So that was actually pretty cool. That was pretty exciting. So I really do thank Steve for it. Without his mentoring, I wouldn't have actually been able to achieve this.
So before I started broking, I was a management consultant. It was a lot of stress, a lot of travel, a lot of time away from the family, and it kind of got to a breaking point with the family where we decided that it wasn't working for us, and I had to find a new career basically that was a bit more family friendly. So after a bit of research and a bit of thinking, I found First Choice Finance Group, and mortgage broking seemed to be the best fit for our situation. When I first contacted First Choice and spoke to Steve, there was an immediate connection there. He was really supportive and pragmatic and upfront and honest about what it would all involve, which was really helpful, and it was really great just stepping us through the process of what needed to happen to become a broker, from doing the initial study all the way to becoming accredited and then building a business up from the ground. So sort of having that upfront support was fantastic for me, a new to industry broker, in really understanding what I was up for and what building a broker business was all about. Some of the great things about First Choice Finance is that they pay commissions weekly, which is a great bonus for a new business, and also provide leads as well, which is really helpful. So now I work from home, I take the kids to school, I pick them up in the afternoon, I'm coach of their soccer team, and my business is growing nicely, so I couldn't be happier.